I'm going to guide you on how you can naturally reverse type 2 diabetes or insulin resistance. But before that, let's look at how this type 2 diabetes comes about.
So I want us we understand how this insulin resistance comes about. From the food we eat, it gets converted to glucose, which is the blood sugar. It then gets into the bloodstream, whereby it gets used by the cells, and the cells gives us the energy and the nutrients. I hope now we understand at that point. Now, this hormone that we call insulin, this hormone, is now which moves the glucose from the bloodstream into the cells. This insulin is what moves the glucose from the bloodstream into the cells, and now from the cells now is what now we is whereby we get now the energy and the nutrients. When you eat, your insulin levels goes up, it then comes down. When you eat again, your insulin goes up and then comes down. Ideally, your insulin levels should stay up for about 3 to 4 hours. Think about this. You eat your breakfast and your insulin goes up. Then you do some snacking, your insulin goes up again. You eat your lunch, your insulin goes up. You do some snacking, your insulin also up. You take your evening snack, insulin is up. You take your dinner, your insulin is up. So consistently, this insulin is up the whole day. This means the insulin hormone is consistently moving the blood sugar from the bloodstream to the cells. Consistently moving the blood sugar from the bloodstream to the cells. So with time, these cells becomes resistant to the insulin. Now, what does this tell you? If the cells are resistant to the insulin, that means this blood sugar is consistently high in the bloodstream. And now this is what brings about the type 2 diabetes.
So, number one, to reverse type 2 diabetes is to avoid snacking. Next is to increase the intake of fiber to your meals. I created a program and a protocol that has helped so many people reverse type 2 diabetes, and either they reduced the dosage of their medication or they actually stopped taking the medication. If you're interested, you can actually take my number in bio and inbox me through WhatsApp, and I will guide you step by step on how you can actually reverse the insulin resistance or even the type 2 diabetes.